Review: Oududianzi solar connectors, durable and weatherproof. The Oududianzi solar crimper tool is crafted from carbon steel with a PP handle, ensuring stability and durability for long-term use. Its design follows human engineering principles, featuring a logical structure and perfect handle shape for comfortable gripping. The tool is equipped with precise crimping molds and a full locking mechanism to ensure high-quality crimping during multiple uses. The Oududianzi solar connectors are made of durable PPO plastic and high-quality tin-plated copper, ensuring longevity and reliability. The red waterproof ring on the joint provides excellent water and dust sealing, IP67, preventing corrosion and ensuring long-lasting performance. The PPO insulation material offers excellent aging and UV resistance, making it suitable for outdoor use under harsh weather conditions such as rain, strong winds, and snow for over 25 years.